Hi everyone, this is Mahmoud and in today's video I will discuss about one of the PHP string functions which is strripos. Because this strripos function is used to find the last occurrence of a substring in a string. Okay, so here you can see I have written down the syntax of strripos. Okay, it returns an integer value. Okay, the return type of this function is integer because it's going to return the position of the substring which we are going to search. Okay, and it takes two parameters. One is the string and the another one is the substring that we are searching in that string, and it's a case insensitive. Okay, so here you can see the word which I'm searching is small h. Okay, I'm searching the occurrence of this h inside this string. Okay, so even if I type capital H here inside this strripos function, it will return me the correct output. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether the searching word is a small letter or capital letter. Okay, so it will just ignore the case. Okay, that's what case insensitive. Okay, so now here you can see I have given a string as Mahmoud Sheikh, and I have used a string function as strripos, to which I have passed the string. Okay, and then here in the second parameter, as I already said, is the word or the character that we want to search for. Because here I want to search the position of h inside my complete string. Okay, and now I'm printing the position of that h. Okay, so now here you can see the h is present in two locations. Okay, so here first location and here is the last location. Okay, so now let us see which location this function is going to return us. Okay, so as you can already see here, it will going to return us the last occurrence. Okay, so now let's just first run our program. Okay, 127. Okay, see strripos.php. Now if I hit enter, then you can see it's returning me the value as 13, which is the location or the position of h inside our string. Okay, so now here you can see this is the position 0. M starts with position 0 and then 1 2 and then 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, see here the h is present in three locations. Okay, so in the second location, and then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay, here you can see the next letter is on the ninth position, and then 10th, 11th, 12th and 13, and the last occurrence of the character h is on the 13th position. Okay, so as I already said, this strripos function returns the last occurrence of the character h. Okay, so now if I change it to capital H instead of small h, and now if I tries to refresh the page, see it will not make any difference. Still it's going to return us the correct output as 13. Okay, so this is everything about strripos function, which is used to find out the last occurrence of a particular substring in a string. Okay, so that's all for this video, where we discuss everything about strripos function. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.